This is Bridget with Bridge Connections providing a tour of Stateroom 17266 and Thermal Suite on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Just a quick public service announcement. If you're accustomed to cruising on other cruise lines, before booking a cruise on Carnival, please do your research on the Mardi Gras entertainment options, customer service reviews, and dining selections so that you have an idea of a Carnival Fun Ship cruise experience. That's it. That's all. Just please do your research. One 17266 is a Cloud 9 spa stateroom located on deck 17 forward ship. The stateroom and balcony are standard. Although there are limited outlets, the stateroom attendant can provide extension cords if needed. The room has a mini fridge which can be beneficial throughout the cruise. Cloud 9 Spa Stateroom and Suite guests have unlimited use of the Thermal Suite, option for priority spa reservations, access to Cloud 9 Spa bathrobes and slippers, and other amenities. For the most up-to-date amenities, refer to the Carnival website. There is a designated elevator on deck 17 that will take guests directly to and from the Thermal Suite that is located on deck 5. If you do not have a Cloud 9 Spa stateroom or suite, you will be unable to use the designated elevator using your cell and sign card. The Thermal Suite can also be accessed through the spa. The Thermal Suite features heated loungers, a hydrotherapy pool, a salt therapy sauna that includes heated panels on the seats, showers, a regular steam room, and an aroma steam room. For guests who do not have a Cloud 9 stateroom or suite, Thermal Suite passes are available for either a day or throughout the duration of your cruise. However, if you have no intention of using the Thermal Suite, consider booking in a different category, such as an extended balcony or Havana stateroom or suite. Thank you for watching the Carnival Mardi Gras Stateroom and Thermal Suite Tour video. Please continue to bridge connections through new travel adventures.